Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and let's understand the various operators that you can apply on any string. So the first one that we are going to see is the concatenation operator. Now as the name suggests, I can join two strings. So I can say, for example, string 1 is hello and str2 is equals to world. And if I say print str1 plus str2, it is going to basically concatenate these two strings, and the output that you will get is hello with the world printed. Even if the string consists of numbers, so I say 10 and suppose 20, and if I print str1 plus str2, it is going to concatenate 10 and 20 and print the concatenation result. Please beware when you're trying to say, for example, print, I say 1 plus 1. So 1 is a string, this one is a number. I'm trying to concatenate a string with a number that is int. It's going to give me an error. Can only concatenate string, not int. Other option is you can convert the number to a string and then you can concatenate. So now 1 becomes a string which gets joined with the 1. The next operator is the replication operator. Now as the name suggests, it will replicate itself. So suppose I say star, which is a string, into, I can use a multiplication operator, into 3. And if I save it, you would see it prints star 3 times. Instead of star, there can be anything. It doesn't have to be star. So say, for example, I say Tech Gatha into 3. And if I run, you would see it prints Tech Gatha, and Tech Gatha. Space is there because my string consists of a space. You cannot, though, do this. So your asterisk is a string and you're multiplying with a string. So when I try to multiply two strings, it will not allow because cannot multiply sequence by non-int of type string. So if you're trying to add a string and a number, you cannot convert that to string. Trying to multiply a string and a string, you cannot. You will have to have a string and a number. It can be reverse as well. So say, for example, I can say 5 into the string. So it will replicate star 5 times. Next is we have the membership operator. Membership operator which checks for whether a particular part of a string is a member of a string. So say, for example, I say email and if I say print if Gmail in email and I say Gmail not in email, so we have membership operators in and not in. And I can say, suppose Gatha in email. So if I run this, see, first one is false because Gmail is not there in this string. Gmail not in email, true because it is not there. Gatha in email, yes, it returns true. The next type of operators, the last one is the comparison operator. So I can compare two strings. So for example, I say S1 equal to apple and S2 equal to apple and S3 equal to say orange or maybe say apricot. So if I say print S1 equal to S2, so the comparison operators which I can use equal to, I can use not equal to, I can use less than, greater than, and all the comparison operators. Okay, so let's see. So S1 equal to S3. Then I can definitely say S1 not equal to S2. S1 not equal to S3. Then S1 less than S2. S1 greater than S2. S1 less than equal to S3, or I can say print A less than A. Okay. So then let's see. Okay, let me do an empty line. So this is first one, that is S1 equal to S2 true, apple apple. S1 equal to S3 is false. S1 not equal to S2 false because it is true. S1 not equal to S3 true. S1 less than S2 false because it is equal to, not less than. Same greater than will be false. S1 less than equal to S3, it's not less than but at least it's equal to, hence true. A less than A false. The reason is here it is using the ASCII values. So small a has an ASCII value of 97, capital A has an ASCII value of 65. So 65 less than A, no, it's false. 97 less than 65 false, but 97 greater than 65 true. So you can also use the comparison operators on a string. So that's all with respect to the various operators that you can use. Next video we will understand about slicing in string. Till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.